What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the filler for the SPX Master for Edmonton and Detroit. We're gonna go live. We're live at 12:31. It's 12:31 here in Denver. We'll go get this fresh list. We got Mr. Durkin on top and Tyga Travis on the bottom. Drop that in here. Eric on top, Tiger on the bottom. We're going 3 times. Top 2 we're gonna win. Good luck, everybody. 1. Ooh, Andrew, you want that one. 2. Frankie, you want that one. Man, Andrew and Frankie are going to be mad. $12.32. $12.32. Third and final time, guys. Top 2. Jeremy and Andrew. Jeremy, you get Edmonton. Andrew, you get Detroit. Congrats, guys. Now, Frankie's going to be really mad at me. Sorry, Frankie. You know I love you. I'd never do anything to hurt you. 12:32. 12:32. Guys, congrats.